Recently, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 were unveiled, and a new official photo highlights how small the device is. According to rumors, Samsung is attempting to evade patent infringement lawsuits from Apple and BOE by reintroducing a full-punch camera on the inner screen, while the side-mounted fingerprint sensor hardly fits. Since the under-display camera needs a specific type of display to function, Samsung probably just couldn't build it good enough. Although the quality is greater than the previous underdid camera, the 4-megapixel sensor beneath the punch hole is still not quite as good as the cover screen camera, despite being somewhat larger. This gives users the impression that it is useless. In addition to offering a free reservation and a guaranteed $50 credit that may be applied to pre-orders, Samsung is giving away $5,000 to one fortunate individual in order to promote the Unpacked event. The revised lock screen clock is one of the main elements of Samsung's new One UI 8, which will also be pre-installed on the F7 phone. It actively moves around the topic of your wallpaper, changing its size and shape in real time. The phone feels more professional because of this small touch. People mistakenly believe the mysterious Samsung Foldable to be the Z Fold 7 after seeing a trailer promoting it. This isn't the F7 though. It appears that the Fold 7 is a display screen, perhaps from the Z Fold 5. The phone sleeve conceals the remaining parts. Although it is still at the prototype stage, Apple's first foldable iPhone may resemble the Z Fold 7. The design calls for a titanium shell, two 48MP back cameras, a 5.5-inch cover screen, a 7.8-inch inner display, and a fingerprint sensor positioned on the side. The phone, which appears ridiculously broad like an iPad mini, is anticipated to start at $2,000. If correct, the device may be a phone and tablet that attempts to be too many things at once. Even if the final product may differ, Samsung should take note of Apple's decision to introduce the foldable next year, as it will push other businesses to improve their competition. There has also been conjecture over Samsung's decision to remove the S Pen slot from the S26 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.